how to recover deleted phone number from Android phone. Now if you happen to delete a certain phone number, whether it is Android or other phone doesn't matter, it just depends on which phone app you have, because Samsung uses their own phone app, Xiaomi and other devices also use their own phone app, but most Android phones also happen to use Google's phone app, which you can find for free on the Play Store. So it just depends upon which app you're using, and also it depends upon how long has it been since you deleted the phone number, because nowadays the phone has a feature which will allow you to basically recycle that phone number within 30 days of deleting it. So basically you just simply have to look for your trash or the recycle bin section in your phone app. So open the contacts of the phone app, tap on the three dots option, and here in my case, in the case of Samsung, I can simply go to trash, and here I will see a list of phone number that I have deleted. So I can restore them within 30 days. After 30 days, it will permanently delete it. If you're using other phone apps, you also want to search for the trash or the recycle bin for those phone apps. So you can just long press on it and simply choose the restore button or to permanently delete it. So you can tap on restore to restore that phone number as well. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.